Mike here from MT-RSR. Today I'm going to show you how to mount a wheel with our LCM Ultra balancing system. LCM stands for light commercial and motorhome wheels. When using the LCM system, you're going to need a backing plate. In order to mount the backing plate, you slide it on. You'll have two holes on your bell housing. All your balancers have this. There's a series of holes on the back of the backing plate, as you can see, that are threaded. Okay, once that's done, you will then grab your chart, your LCM Ultra System chart. This has all the different bolt patterns for all the different wheels. It also has a series of pictures of the studs up at the top, and it tells you which ones to use. Yellow is, you can use it, but the green would be the ideal, and if it's red, the column is red, you don't want to use that stud for that particular application. Now, after you got your backing plate bolted down, you want to choose the right cone for your particular wheel. This right here is the proper cone for this application. Okay, our chart is recognizing this wheel as an 8x210. So we want to find the right bolt holes, the right bolt pattern on your plate. So it's 8x210, so you only need 4 studs, so you're going to find the 4x210. Put your finger on there and slide it in so it's in the proper holes. So now we're set up for 8x210. Now, if you got a bigger wheel, like a 8x225 or a 10x225, we recommend using these studs here with extended nipple. The extended nipple, when you're putting it on, it actually goes into the grooves on your backing plate and it rests on it to help support real heavy wheels. With these studs, you'll see that they're threaded on the backside, so you'll put them in and you'll actually use this to tighten them down, the knurled nut. You're going to take your plate, slide it on, and match it up with some of your lug holes. Now, this particular shaft is a power clamp shaft. If you had a threaded shaft, you would take your wing nut and take your pressure ring off. You do not need the pressure ring on. The LCM has a built-in pressure ring, and you slide it on there. As you can see, the nose of it goes up inside there to conserve shaft space. This particular balancer, though, is an auto clamp shaft. So we have these handles that will actually screw up inside the bushing to use for the auto clamp shafts. So once you get that on, you will then hit your pedal and mount the wheel up, and now you are ready to balance.